Hi, in these lessons we will learn how to transform our data within Power BI from a white table to tall table and vice versa. So let us open this browser, these applications. So we have one Excel sheets which we are going to import this. First we need to import. So this is the Excel sheet options. So then we can go for this document desktop. So we have one like transform data. Okay. So let us wait for a few seconds for the data to load up. Okay. So we have the now we have got the navigator box is open now. So we have options like three files are there within this. One is extra transformations, tall table and white table. What we are going to do? We will convert this white table to tall table. So let us select this. So after that, this is the preview. Okay, this is the preview that we have seen in the Excel sheets the last sessions. Okay, so what we need to do instead of loading the data directly, because this data Power BI will not be able to read and create visual as per the requirement. So what we need to do, we need to convert this visual white table to tall table. So what we need to do, we have to transform this data. So once we transform this data, these options, immediately what will happen, Power BI query editor will open up. Okay, and the data will load up. Okay, this is the data that we have got in the in Excel sheets. Okay, this is the pivot table. Okay, this is the pivot table. So first thing, when we get this, the most important thing we must understand that a new column has been added, like column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5, column 6, like that. Okay, so this is not what I am looking for. Actually, in the original data, this first row was the header. Okay, first row was the header. Like first row talks about that gives information regarding product and different sales, year wise sales. So what I need to do, I need to, you see, this is one option is there, use first row as header. We can see. Okay, if we do it, it will immediately convert that, it will create that, it will select it, this first row is selected as this. Okay, understood. So next job, we need to convert this uh, into a tall table. Okay, so then what we need to do, how to convert this white table to tall table. So there is one options under transform. You see, under transform we have one options that is called on pivot table. We can see, we'll see this. Sorry. So we can see this under transform. If you see, there is one option that is called on pivot column. So this on pivot column, what it will do, this will convert uh, this table, white table, into a tall table. But we must understand here what are the table that, what are the cells that we want to convert. Okay, what are the different like columns that we want to convert. So what we need to do, we have to select this shift. Okay, okay, these are the four columns, 1 2 3 4 5, five columns that we want to convert this into tall table format. So what we need to do, we have to here we have to select, first we have to select, then we have to click on pivot column. Once on pivot column is created, what happens, three fields have been created now, you see. So one is product, then attributes, this is the attribute. Okay, product was there by default, it was there. So what we want to do, we want to change this. Okay, we want to change this, we have to double click on that on attribute, then suppose we will write it like year. Okay, we can write it here. Okay, we'll write it as year. Then we have to also, this is the value for sales, we can also write it as sales. Okay, so we can change, we can rename also there. Okay, so and one important aspects we must understand here also, you can see. So these are the applied steps or steps that are applied to that convert this table like from white to tall table. Okay, so what we have done, we have gone to the, we have referred to the source, then navigations, then we changed it, transformed it, then promoted headers, that these headers were also changed, then we like we transfer on pivot the columns, these converts, that these columns were also on pivoted, means white table was converted into a tall table, then we also renamed the color. Okay, after that what we need to do, we have to come to the that home tab, then close and apply. That means we have successfully converted a white table, this white table, into a tall table. We can close and apply. Okay, this is simple. So this is now. So now this white table is a part of our visuals. We can go to the report tab. Okay, let us wait for the data to load up. So this is the data tab. We can check here to build visuals so that we can create visuals. So data is getting loaded. Build visuals, select and drag. So now white table is being created. Okay, we can see, we can also see. So these are the, this is product, this is sales and year. So we can see here data tab. Okay, this is what we have got it. So this is the data we have created now. This is the like fields that we have created. We must understand here one important thing. When we convert a white table to a tall table, okay, when we change the structure of the data, so source of the data doesn't actually change. Okay, source of the data doesn't change. So the source of the data remains unchanged, but what happens, so instead of having different columns, data are structured in right that columns. Okay, so suppose I want to, suppose take for example, I want, this is the report view, this is the report view, or we can create by using this field, we can create different visuals. Suppose take for example, I want to, I do not want tall tables. Okay, I want to bring back my white table. So how can I do that? So we have some here transform data we can clear. Okay, here it is there. Report tab, we have to click on report view, then we have to go for transform data. Okay, transform data, then our Power BI, Power Query editor will be, will open up. Okay, simple, what we can do, we can that delete this rename options, rename option has been deleted. Now we can also change it, it has come it. Okay, now it appears like this. Okay, so it has come back to the different like earlier format, like white table format it has come. So this, that's for the lessons. Basically in these lessons what we have learned, we have learned the requisite steps to convert a white table to from a white table to a tall table, that is required for Power BI to understand the data. Okay, that's for the lesson. Thank you.